it's going to ruin the fun of everybody else. So I don't need you, don't lose. I don't need you to say what's going to happen. But the idea is that we're going to create a reaction that's going to release a lot of heat. Does anybody know what that's called? Thermal energy is a great guess, but when a reaction occurs and that reaction releases heat, it's called exothermic, right? If it's endothermic, right, it's the opposite of endothermic, it's exothermic. So the idea is that we're going to take this reaction right here, up here. We're going to take this reaction, back up boys, back up and look. We're going to take H2O2, mix it with something called KMnO4, which is potassium permanganate. Does anybody know what this is? H2O2, not water. There's an added oxygen, hydrogen, peroxide, okay? So we're going to take those two chemicals, we're going to mix them together, those two reactants, we're going to mix them together, and we are going to create a reaction that involves a lot of heat. So when you mix these together, Aaron, the products that you get are down there on the bottom. What products do you get? What's the first product? Right here. Water, oxygen, and something called manganese oxide.
You use different gloves.
Just gloves.
Oh,
They stink, don't they?
I don't know. I can't smell it.
Fine. Watch. Okay, so we'll clear it out. We're going to use this beaker. This was clear at the beginning of the day. Now it's like all burnt. But when the reaction goes, let the reaction go because it's going to happen very quickly. When I tell you to feel the heat, don't touch what comes out of the bottle. Just hold your hand above it. Okay? That's what I want you to do. Just hold your hand above what's actually going on. Let's see. What do we need first? We're going to need a little bit.
Can't see anything.
What's that?
Of the permanganate. So this is the potassium permanganate. So this is what's going to make our reaction go.
Oh, it's purple.
No, it's purple.
You just buy this stuff from the store?
That's why it dang like this. I don't know, that's like even poisonous.
Looks pretty cool, right?
What'd that say? What'd that say right there? Poison. But I said, but poison.
Yeah, I don't just sit there and just gobble it.
Sam.
What happens if you did eat it? Would you go to the hospital? You'd have poison?
Inside would get rags.
He would want to actually eat it.
How would you get rid of it?
Usually some stuff.
No, I meant like if you went to the hospital and they said you got poisoned, how would they get rid of it?
They're gonna pump your stomach for like a whole.
Oh yeah, that's
It's not fun.
Pump your stomach. Certain chemicals, they'll pump it. Certain ones, they'll make you throw up. All that good stuff. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of dish soap. Dish soap makes everything better. Yeah, hopefully you're not eating dish soap.
When I was little, when I got in trouble.
All right, so now you're gonna add the other reactant to it. So we've got the permanganate mixed in. We're gonna add the H2O2, which is the hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide you guys have in your medicine cabinets at home. Stuff when you get a cut, you put the peroxide on, it burns like crazy. Okay, this is the same stuff, just at a different concentration. Okay, so it's a little bit more powerful than what you guys get at home. So it's gonna happen real quick. Don't touch it, right? Can you see? You care? You can stand up if you want.
I want you to point in.
All right, you're on the desk. All right,
She's actually.
you ready?
She's very.
So.
Oh, that looks cool.
Wait, is that?
So
Looks like ice cream, like that.
You can
ice
feel
cream.
above it. Don't touch it, but you can feel above it.
Don't touch it, Denise. I'm at dumb, Caleb.
I wouldn't say that.
Whoa.
What happens if you touch it?
Do they call that fucking elephant toothpaste or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that.
Pretty freaky though, isn't it?
Yeah.
We had
It's kind of cool.
a college professor they have a bigger, a more concentrated version of the H2O2, and they put it in a pumpkin that was pre-carved, and it threw up. It was really cool.
Oh,
I think I believe that on my video.
Janice, shut up.
No.
Somebody said it looked like a 7-Eleven Slurpee. Pretty interesting though. It gives you an idea of
Why
what
does it smell like
happens
that?
when you can mix chemicals together. Why does it smell like what?
Like soap. No.
Why?
You got so busy.
I want to touch it.
Because you're using some dishwasher.
It's just so like.
But I mean, the heat that comes off of it is astronomical. If you guys want to you could touch the side of the beaker if you want, where it's clean.
Of course, Sam
I
would
do
do
it.
it. Was it hot?
But you should be able. It's warmer than what it normally would be.
Does he?
Yeah.
It is hot. Ew, I touched it. Sammy touched it.
Right now, but look how much water is actually left in here. There's not gonna be a lot, but it's just
Looks like syrup.
purple.
Dyed her finger.
Is it syrup? Is that
Purple
believe?
syrup.
You're dead. There's somebody sitting there in front of us.
Pretty cool stuff, right? There's your Happy Halloween
Is that water?
experiment. This is
It's
water.
like a heart. Okay.
Don't know my finger.
You know, like you dyed it. Yeah, look at your finger. Your finger blew.
Slurpee.
Oh, we gotta clean all of this out.
What?
All right. So what we're gonna do today? You guys have your labs turned in. I'm gonna add a lot of grades in today, or not today. On Sunday. So you guys need to be on the lookout for those. Hopefully you guys have everything turned in.